Hello everybody, welcome to this next video on linear algebra. In this video we'll be talking about minimal polynomial of a block diagonal matrix. So we'll be talking about minimal polynomial of a block diagonal matrix. So let us see what we have done in the last video. In the last video we have talked about the characteristic polynomial of a block diagonal matrix, and we had also talked about the characteristic polynomial of a block triangular matrix. But finding the minimal polynomial for block diagonal matrix is described in a nice theorem which we are going to discuss in this particular video. So what is the theorem? It says that, suppose, let me write down. The theorem says, suppose you have M is a block diagonal matrix with A1, A2, AR as the diagonal blocks, right? So it means that your M looks like A1, A2, AR and zeros here. These A1, A2, AR, these are the square matrices, right? Then the theorem says, then the minimal polynomial of M is the least common multiple, that is LCM common multiple, let me just correct it, least common multiple, that is LCM of minimal polynomials of A1, A2, AR. Right, you got it. So what you have to do, you have to find the minimal polynomial of A1, minimal polynomial of A2 and minimal polynomial of AR. Then you take the least common multiple of all the polynomials. You will get another polynomial, and we are claiming that that particular polynomial is the minimal polynomial of M, right? And for your information, let me tell you that the characteristic polynomial of M was multiplication of the characteristic polynomials of the AIs. But now we are saying that minimal polynomial of M is the least common multiple of the minimal polynomial of AIs, right? So let us see it. I will just give you an idea of the proof. When you have R is equal to 1, then your matrix is just A1, and it is clear that minimal polynomial of M is equal to minimal polynomial of A1, and that is equal to, we can say that, LCM of minimal polynomial of A1, So R is equal to 1, the things are clear. Let R is equal to 2. When R is equal to 2, then your M looks like A1, A2, 0 here, 0 here, right? Now let MT is the minimal polynomial of M, and FT, or you can just call it GT and HT, it's your choice, with the minimal polynomial of A1 and A2. Let us call GT is the minimal polynomial of A1, and HT is the minimal polynomial of A2. Then we need to show, we are trying to show that MT is LCM of GT and HT. This is what you are trying to show, right? So let us prove this thing, that MT is LCM of GT and HT. It means that MT is multiple of both GT and HT and is the least to do so, right? So this is what you want to say, right? So let us see how we can prove it. So you see, MT is minimal polynomial of M. It means that MM is going to be 0. Now what is MM? Right, MM will be, because this M is A0, 0B, is 0, so it means that this is a polynomial. So this will be polynomial computed at A 0, 0, MB is equal to 0. We don't know, this is M of 0, this is M of 0, right? Okay. Now this is 0 matrix, it means that this quantity is 0 and this quantity is 0. So this implies M of A is 0 and M of B is 0. This says that matrix A satisfies the polynomial MT is equal the polynomial M, but GT is its minimal polynomial. Now by definition, the minimal polynomial will divide every other polynomial which is being satisfied by that matrix. So GT divides MT. Similarly here this says matrix B satisfies the polynomial MT, but HT is its minimal polynomial. Therefore HT divides MT. Now we know that it means that GT divides MT and HT divides MT, right? So we know that LCM of, from here you can say that MT is multiple of GT and HT. Now we want to show that this is the least. To do so, for that you let there is a polynomial f such that f divides GT divides f. So you are looking for a polynomial which is being divided by both GT and HT, which are the minimal polynomial of A and B respectively. So you have GT divides FT and HT divides FT. Now you are saying that GT divides FT, so it means that FT is a multiple of GT, and here FT is a multiple of HT, right? Now if it is a multiple of GT, so let us see what happens to FM. FM will be FA 0 0 FB. Now what is this? Because F is a multiple of GT and G of A is 0, so this quantity is 0, and 0 here, and here because F is a multiple of H and H of B is 0, so this quantity is 0. So you get that F of M is 0. So it means that M satisfies polynomial Ft. Therefore minimal polynomial of M, which is MT, divides Ft. So what you get, therefore we get that MT divides minimal polynomial of A, which is GT, and MT divides minimal polynomial of B, which is HT. Further, if you have FT, which is a multiple of both GT and FT, which is a multiple of both GT and HT, then MT divides that FT also, right? You see here you took FT which is such that GT divides FT and HT divides FT. Therefore MT is least common multiple of GT and HT, right? So this is how we find out the minimal polynomial of a block diagonal matrix by taking the LCM of the minimal polynomials of the matrices which are on the diagonal. In the next video, we'll be looking at an example. Thank you. Thank you for watching our video. Please do share and subscribe, and also you can join our channel for paid membership. We have 3 plans, 59, 89 and 119, right? For this you have these 3 live sessions in a month, and for this you have 3 live sessions plus 1 video of your own choice. You can send us the topic and we will create a video in a week and we will send you back, or we'll upload on our channel. And plus in this 119 you will have your own PDF notes, own PDF notes for a particular playlist. You can go into the join button, you can click the button and you will have detailed information about that, right? And this money, this will not help you, but it will also help us to create this quality mathematics content for everybody, right? So we are creating these videos for free, and we want that everybody should have a quality mathematics education. So whatever you are contributing, it is kind of donation also. It will be, it will help us in scaling up our channel for more videos, and we will try to cover as much as topics as possible. Thank you for your support. Please share this video and keep supporting. Thank you.